Hey there! Thanks to Salesforce integration, you can connect your GrowBots and Salesforce accounts for a better and more efficient sales process. You can decide whether you want to upload the prospects generated in GrowBots to Salesforce, exclude your own leads from being generated by GrowBots, or both, uploading the generated prospects and deduplicating the existing leads. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of connecting Salesforce to GrowBots. To begin, go to your dashboard and click Connect Salesforce in the CRM section. You will be asked to log into your Salesforce account and to give GrowBots permission to access your account. To do this, click Allow. A configuration window should pop up. Remember that this integration will only work if you have a Salesforce plan which offers you an API connection. Your options include Enterprise, Unlimited, Developer, and Performance, or the Professional plan with a purchased access to the API. After giving GrowBots access to your Salesforce account, the process will consist of 5 to 6 steps. It will start with prospect exclusion, then prospect importing, choosing the contact status column, status mapping, data mapping, and the last step is user mapping. Now, let's go through each step in detail. First, you will have to determine which prospects should be excluded from the GrowBots search. You can choose if you want us to exclude contacts you have in Leads, Contacts, or both of these tables in Salesforce. The deduplication is based on the prospect's email addresses. You can also exclude entire companies by uploading a CSV file with a column named Website. Remember, to format it properly, there should be only domains, so no HTTP or www. The next step is deciding where the prospects generated in GrowBots should be imported. You can choose between contacts or leads tables again. Or you can decide if you don't want any prospects from GrowBots to be moved into your Salesforce account. If you select the contacts table, choose which column in your Salesforce reflects the change in the prospect status in GrowBots. After completing this step, or if you chose the leads column earlier, the next thing will be status mapping. You can assign a contact status in Salesforce to an action in GrowBots. For example, mapping prospect emailed with in conversation means that after you send an email to your prospect, the status in Salesforce will be changed to in conversation. This saves you a lot of manual work, so it's good to think it through. You don't have to use all statuses, but we recommend mapping as many as possible. When you're done, click Next Step, and you'll be asked to map data. Here you can choose what kind of data is transferred to your Salesforce account when the lead is created. Again, you don't have to use all of them, but if some fields are required in your CRM, the system won't let you continue until you map them. The final step is user mapping. If you have multiple GrowBots and Salesforce users, you can map them as well as make sure the lead owners will be assigned correctly. Click Save and Finish. Your Salesforce account will now be connected and you will be moved to the dashboard. The process of synchronization may take up to 24 hours depending on the size of your database. Remember that Salesforce can only be connected by your organization's GrowBots admin. If you're not an admin and you notice that Salesforce was not connected properly, try checking with your admin first and contact our support. Also, keep in mind that only completing all steps will lead to connecting Salesforce to GrowBots. If you stop the process earlier, it will fail. So no prospects from GrowBots will be moved to your CRM, and we will not be able to deduplicate prospects based on the data from your CRM. And that's all. Now your GrowBots and Salesforce accounts are integrated and you can be confident no prospects will be duplicated. In addition, all of the prospects generated will be pushed into your Salesforce and the status will be updated according to the mapping you've just set up. If you want to learn more about Salesforce integration, read our detailed article on resources.growbots.com or contact the support via chat.